Hello, I'm Smithy and this is a Kentucky. Hope you're all well. I'm going to show you the clutch claw, how to fit it. We've got a nice Christmas card to show you first. To Simon and Susie and family, wishing you a wonderful Christmas. Drew and Leon, Blake's 4 on tour. Thank you. I'll put that up there. I've got the little log fire going, keep me warm. Right, clutch claw. Right, lid for the Sharpie. So, I'm hoping I've worked this out right. What I won't do is put the nuts on. I'll just see how it's... Oh, I might as well, yeah, we'll see how it goes on. So remember, this part that I'm doing now, you only need to do it once. So what I've actually done, I'll undo it and show you. You get 2 screws. You see them, there's one there and one there. Right? So if you undo them 2 screws, what I've done, you take this plate off and you measure it against your van. So the piece that this goes into, it does come with some spacers. So I'm using both spacers, I'll show you in a second. Right, I don't want to lose them. So that part obviously goes on the floor, right? And then you've got this piece. So you've got 2 spacers there, right? So I'm using both because that's about, you know, the distance from where we are. The distance from putting that on. And then that just goes in there. Or that way around. Anyway, so what we're going to do, I don't know if you can see there, but I've marked them. So you line it up against your pedals and then you get the width of your pedals and then you screw these in. So they just screw out. Show you. Right, so you put them in the width of your pedals. Like so. The weather is absolutely rotten. It's been lousy all day. Put some screws on the end, some nuts on the end. Right. I'm not going to make it a big long drawn out video, there's no point. It is quite straightforward to do really. Right, so we've put the bolts on. I actually labelled that inside so I knew which way around it went. Right. So that goes in there, we'll put the screws in. I will tighten these up later, I haven't got a spanner on me. I have an adjustable in the gas locker, so I will tighten them up, but I'll use the adjustable to do it with. So I'll just tighten these up. Yeah, I had a message off Rob about the gas, the safe fill gas bottle. How much does it cost to fill up? We've never been anywhere to go to empty it and then fill it up. I've done some cooking in the van, I've had the heater on, but it is quite a big bottle. So I'll make a video of that, Rob, anyway, when I fill that bottle up. Right, there's the key. So I'll put that key on my car keys for the van, on the keys for the van. Right, so let's go and fit it and we'll show you how it's... so that's it all set up there now, right? You only have to do that once, and you have it with the key holder down, I believe, and then you can see that it's a clutch claw on your pedals. But now that's set up, it's just a case of... Still got it wrong way around. It's just a case of putting that in there, right? And the idea is, can you see that or not? The idea is that's the pedal there, one pedal there, and then locked in. So let's go do that. I'll put my glasses on, then I can see. Camper van Gaz. I like that badge. Right, let's go and do this. I'll take you with me. I'll edit a bit of walking out. Now I'm hoping you can see the pedals there. Where's the sounds here? I'll take the sound with me, then you can hear me. Yeah, so to mark it, just use a Sharpie. You know, the markers. Right, so put that under there. It's going to be awkward because I'm trying to avoid the light and avoid the avoid the camera so you can actually see what's going on. So through there, has it gone in or not? That's it. Right. There you go. How's that? And we've still got the steering lock on the wheel, so that's fitted. Right, so I better keep the key. I sort of better get it off. Voila! Where's my glasses case? Oh, there. Don't want to lose that. There's a link to that in the description from Amazon, should you want one. And I'll be quite honest with you, if anybody goes there and clicks that link, it's the same price as wherever you buy it from off Amazon, but I do get a bit of a, you know, they might give you 50p or a pound or whatever. I've now got a clutch claw, I've got the steering lock, and I've got a tracker. So I've actually got 2 trackers in the van because one's a mobile phone that's hidden. So we're doing alright. So I'm hoping we're going to keep the van. So anyway, I did some cooking yesterday. I'm undecided whether to put it in, whether to let you see it. Anyway, I should do really, I probably will do. I'll put it up in a few days. Anyway, I'll put this up, let you see this, and I'll put Smithy's cooking in the Kentucky. It was quite a nice meal actually, I enjoyed it. Wife saw it online and says, oh look at this, and anyway I said, oh I'll cook that. So I did. And then we've got the, I got a new dash cam, didn't I? Sue bought me a dash cam for Christmas. And we'll do that. Can you see me alright there? I can turn the light round a bit. It just blinds you. And my fire's going. What I could do with some sunshine, charge the van up. I might just run a mains lead to the van and leave it all day and night or whatever charging, and then I know it's getting a good charge then, because there's not much sunshine at the minute. Anyway, that being said, stay safe, be lucky, and I'm certainly going to see you again. And hey, if you don't see me beforehand, have a really good Christmas and a good New Year, and I'll see you at the other side.